Hi, today I'm for review OPPO Reno 10 Pro and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first we should open the photos. Just let's select a couple of photos to hide them. Click to hide icon and now we should set a privacy password. So tap to set password. We could use 6 digits password or to use the different password type. Let's use the pattern for example. We got here a security question. You could select one from the available questions or to set the custom one. Then just tap to get it. You could use fingerprint, lock method or another one. Just to use the private save, click to images and videos, tap to this plus icon, select your photos, click set as private. They now successfully set as private. So where we could find them? Sure, we could find them here in photos. Switch photos to albums and you'll see here hidden. Just tap on this section, enter your privacy password and you'll see all of the hidden photos here. Or also you could open the settings, scroll to the privacy, switch permissions to privacy, tap to private save, enter your password and you'll find them here in images and videos. To unhide these photos, just select them, click to set as public. For example, let's move them to the camera roll and now we could see the message that we just successfully set them as the public. So that's it. Thank you for watching and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.